Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna walk you through a bunch of different kinds of mango that I came across in Jamaica on my visit. So this tree here is a black mango tree. In Jamaica we call it blackie. So you have stringy mango, East Indian mango, number 11 mangoes, you have Julie mango, you have Millie, sweetie mango, sugar mango. What other mango we have, babe? Beefy mango, that's the foodie kind. It full belly, they call it. But this is the black mango. Really, really good. It's really yummy. So on the ground, it's all mangoes. So I'm gonna show you some mango plant. I brought back 5 mango plants with me. So we have some Jamaican mango plants at the end of the video. So just watch till the end of the video, and you'll see the mango plant that I bring back, and I'm gonna plant them in my backyard. So in the next 5 to 10 years, I'm gonna have a lot of mangoes, I hope, here in the States. So as always, guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Bye.
The red ones. Our apples.
What kind of tree then?
Which of them?
This one?
Yeah, what kind of mango?
Number 11.
Number 11.
Oh, but it not start ripe yet?
Yes, you know. Yes.
Yes, that's true.
See one here? See a ripe one here? See a ripe one here?
Oh, that one, right?
Yes.
And then I drop something easy.
Yeah. See another ripe one here?
Thank you. See mango tree? Just go on the mango tree and eat.
See another ripe one here?
Wow. Look at mango are ground. People must say mango that are ground.
Some of the rice.
Look at mango on the floor, on the ground.
If you eat some rice, I'll give you a popsicle.
Another ripe one here on the shore. Yes. How many funny Mrs. Sarah?
It's weird when you buy mango because it tastes weird. Don't your mango up on the ground. Get 2 minutes. Look at the leaf. Those are the roots. So what I did, I just put it in water so it stay alive.
You know what the short meat said?
The shuttle? Oh, right there. He was in the front.
Thank you.
You're welcome. There was a shuttle out there not too long. Like to go to Disney? Yeah, that's what he says. You're welcome. So this one kind of dried down because I put it with all my bushes and stuff like that. So it kind of dried on, but this one came back. It was dried, and I put it in water last night because actually we stayed at a hotel. We're not home yet, so I had to put it in water so it will survive. That's a bunch of roots. So these are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mango plants. I'm gonna go plant them right now.